In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add clean on-screen captions to a vertical Instagram reel in Premiere Pro. We'll keep it simple and make sure your captions are easy to read, perfectly timed, and consistent from start to finish. First, make sure your sequence is set to 1080 by 1920. That's a vertical 9:16 frame, which is the correct format for reels. Setting this up from the start ensures your text won't get cropped and your layout will look the way you expect on mobile. If your sequence isn't already vertical, adjust it so your video fills the frame cleanly. Now, add your first text layer, go to the graphics menu, choose New Layer, then Text. A text item will appear in your timeline and program monitor. Type your first caption line. With the text selected, head to the Essential Graphics panel and adjust the font, size, and color. Aim for strong readability, a clean sans serif font, a size large enough to read on a phone, and high contrast against your background. If your footage is busy, pick a color that stands out and consider a subtle shadow or background behind the text to improve legibility. Next, sync the timing. In the timeline, drag and trim the ends of the text block so it appears exactly when those words are spoken and disappears right after. Zoom in on the timeline for precision and use snapping to line up the in and out points. Scrub the audio and play it back a few times to make sure the entrance and exit feel natural, not rushed. Repeat that process for each caption segment. Create a new text layer for every line or phrase. Keeping each piece short, ideally 1 or 2 lines, makes it easier to read and to time with the dialogue. Avoid cramming too much text on screen at once. To keep everything consistent, copy and paste the attributes from your first styled caption to each new text layer. You can also save your look as a style preset in Essential Graphics, so every new caption automatically matches the font, size, color, and alignment. Consistency helps your captions feel professional and keeps the viewer focused on the content. If you want a touch of motion, add simple animation by keyframing opacity or position for a quick pop in and pop out. Keep it subtle so it enhances readability rather than distracting from it. Gentle easing can make the movement feel smoother. When you're done, export a vertical video with the captions burned in. Because these are text layers, they'll be embedded in the final file and ready for Instagram Reels. Double check the preview, export at 1080 by 1920, and you're set.